Hey guys, welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour on CNBC TV18. A space that has really picked up in the past few minutes is the metal sector. In fact, that is the top gaining sector on right now in terms of sectoral indices as well. So a lot of these stocks, the likes of Hindalco, Tata Steel, you have JSPL, all at the high point of the day. So do keep your eye out on that. And the PSU banks have slipped a little bit. But let's talk about the commodities now. Manisha joins us, and today she's actually going to tell us about metals itself. Manisha.
Well, yes. Thank you for that, Pavitra. I mean, when you look at the non-ferrous metals, I don't see copper, aluminum do so well. I mean, they are not trading as firm as the ferrous metals are trading. So when you look at the steel prices, we are trading at a 2-month highs for this one. The iron ore prices are trading at a 4-month highs. Actually, when you look at the last week itself, the steel prices gained up by 4.5% and iron ore prices gained up by 6%. And we have seen strong gains continue into Asia today as well. Well, the reason that you're looking at support is that China in the last couple of weeks has done a lot in the sense of liquidity injection. They also have cut the reserve ratio. There is a lot of stimulus that is being pushed out or pumped into infrastructure and real estate projects, and that clearly seems to be supportive. So markets are getting ready for the Chinese demand to come back. There is still weak demand that you see coming in from Europe, but the Indian infrastructure and the US infrastructure sector also seems to be doing quite well, and that is what the markets are counting on at this point in time. For the Indian markets, even as we are looking at the construction and the auto demand to start picking up, the rest of the sectors are not doing so well. And in any case, India is looking at competition right now from the international markets. The export numbers do not seem so good, and the Chinese demand, it is a Chinese hope premium that we are looking into the markets right now. On ground, very strong demand is yet to pick up. So as of now, it is majorly sentiment. We have seen a lot of short positions being closed, and that clearly has been supportive. That is the data that has come in from World Steel Association, where they are looking at, when you look at the steel demand itself, China has seen a decline, so has European Union. So the overall global demand for this year is estimated to decline between 2.3%. But the World Steel Association also believes that next year it could be a positive, even a smaller 1% of a jump in demand, and that is what the markets are latching on to. If you also look at the steel production for 2022, we have seen a decline come in from China and European Union. Even the numbers coming in from US are not so great, but India has seen 6.4% of a jump up coming in for this year itself. Going forward, it's all going to be about the US inflation numbers and the US Fed meeting in the next couple of days. But today, what also is supporting the metal prices is that the dollar index is just about holding 105. Very flat trades coming into that one ahead of the US Fed meeting, and that seems to be supportive too.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for getting us that entire roundup of the metal space. For now, we are going to take a short break. But like we've been telling you, it is quite flat for the markets, but it's been an over 150-point recovery from the low. So when we come back, we'll discuss the market technicals and tell you how to approach the screen on a day like today with Rahul Mohinder. And we'll also get you some of his top bets.